Today we'll be making Subway cookies. The ingredients that you'll need are butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, plain flour, baking powder, a medium-sized egg, vanilla essence, white chocolate, and milk chocolate. And that's it. Let's start. First, roughly chop the white chocolate. It doesn't need to be in any perfect shape or size. We are using 200 grams of white chocolate. I like to cut it into really small, tiny pieces. Do the same for the milk chocolate as well. Just roughly cut it into tiny pieces. Right, so now we have butter that we have already added in. Next, we are going to add in brown sugar. Then you'll be adding in granulated sugar. Right now we're going to mix it. We're going to break an egg in a medium-sized egg. So for the next one, we are going to add in vanilla essence. We're going to do about 1 teaspoon. Alright, then stir it. So now we are going to put in flour and baking powder. We need a half of a teaspoon. Next is cocoa powder that we are adding in. Once you've added all these ingredients, you can give it a good stir. Alright, so now we're going to add in the chocolate. Make sure to get milk chocolate, it will taste so much better. And adding in white chocolate now. So the milk chocolate was roughly about 100 grams and the white chocolate was 200 grams. So once you've added in, give it a stir. You don't have to stir it too well because we've already mixed it well. Just make sure that the chocolate is well mixed into the cookie dough. Alright, so for now we're going to use an ice cream scoop to scoop up, get it into a nice round shape and put it on your baking paper. So the reason why we're using ice cream scoop is so that we can actually get a nice round shape so that your cookie dough, your Subway cookie, is in a perfect standardized shape. Repeat the same for the rest of the cookie dough. So we just scooped up the cookie dough in perfectly round shape using an ice cream scoop to standardize the shape. And as you can see, it is all in this exact same shape. So what we're going to do now is we're going to refrigerate it for at least an hour before we can start baking. It's been an hour now. The cookie dough looks just nice and hard, so we can take it out and start baking. For the first round, I've separated it to really space it out because the cookie will be expanding when you bake it, so we don't want it to be too close, and that is why I'm only putting 6 in the tray for now. So I'm going to pop it into the oven now. Bake this at 175 degrees for at least 15 minutes. Wow, this looks absolutely delicious. There you have it, folks. Subway cookies made at home.